What up guys, today we're going to be making a new Roblox video. Today we're going to be playing quote-unquote scary Roblox games. So let me just type in horror. Just see what comes up. The Mimic. Oh, 3008. Doors. Hmm. 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 Rainbow Friends. Let's try it out. It's taking forever. Oh, finally. Okay, we're finally in. Oh, shiver me timbers! Oh, shiver me timbers! What the heck do you be? But what is this goofy crouch? Is it both of they bends down? Like what? Bend over. Bend over is still doing well damage. Load in. Oh, shiver me timbers! It's rainbow. Well, this is so scary. There's rainbow. Skip, yes. Should flashing quick. Well, a 3-year-old literally just pooped his pants and knocked someone left. Jesus. Oh my god. It's so scary. Odd world. Really? I got my headphones stood up for this bull crap. Ooh. Oh my god, we died! Okay, I know how to play this dumbass game. Freaking collect these items and stuff. Huh. Yeah. You fat ass can't freaking get them yourself? This is a quote unquote. What the hell with it? But this man looks goofy. Why is even scary? Man looks hella goofy. See here? There's nothing here, bruh. Oh, wait, this is a hiding spot. But I haven't played this game like I played this game like once. Big blue Shrek. Find the blue arrows. Hmm. What? She hit under the table. You're gonna die. Well, is he gonna leave us alone now? But he just pops out the door and kills me. I'm gonna play until I die or until the end of the next thing. I'm just gonna wait for the last people. Is he up here? I was just wondering. He's stupid. Where is John Blue Marshmallow? Oh, we keep him up here. Yes. Look, right here. Oh my. Oh, right here. In here. Oh my god. This has to be a 3-year-old. I hear something. And died like really close. Like really close. I'm good. Okay, we're good. Oh, where's the guy with the cushy buffalo? Oh, it's down there. Dang. Bro, bro just froze midair. Bro, get the. Well, you got it. Thank you. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks. Hopefully Blue didn't get too many of you. What's next? Oh, it's the green guy. Yeah, so this green guy, you just don't want to get near him. He's blind, so he can't see you. Only thing you have to do is avoid his arms. That's all you have to do. Yeah, we don't know how he can do that. Find packs of food. Alright. It goes right there. Whoa! It's not even scary. It's bugging out. I guess I'll go to the next game. Okay. Um. Hmm. Something scary. Well, I've done Nico's next mod too many times. Seriously, like holy crap. Oh, this is scary. Yeah, this is very scary. Oh my god, this is so scary, my boy. Dude, this is scary though. Bro, I'm scared, bro. But you kind of scared. Holy crap. Bro, this kid is literally singing whatever this type of. Thank you for saying. Like, what the hell? What the hell? Get it. Let's go. Oh, it scared the shit out of me. I think I did just poop myself. Gotta reach one, bro. Oh, I'm shivering timbers. What the? Bro, he just got half the server. Are you baby so? Man, you look good, baby. You shouldn't be talking. But look at this goofy ass avatar. Bruh. Man, you look good, baby. You shouldn't be talking. Come on, you see right now. Hmm? I'm not a baby. Go to the circus and be. Did Bo just get his mom to help him chat? I watched he did catch like 3. I think he was like 5 years old. He's just. I started like I think I was like roasting or something. I don't know. Wait, we were the same. Huh? Huh? My use. I am a. I am not a baby. Blank, blank, blank. So go to the circus. It's I brick hit me. Yo. 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 Hey guys, username is look at this. Look at this. A brick hit me. Yo. Bo's trying to curse at me. I wish the fucking shit out of this guy. Oh, how is this a lag? How is she not dead? No, he is. Thank you for sunshine. What? Yeah, no. Sure. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But you suck ass. Oh, she's gonna lower it. Oh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Dun 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 dun, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Why is it stuck in my head? It's like, are you ready? You are a clown. Bo's trying to roast me. So go to the circus. Bo is using emojis. Bo. I know! Both of these speaks emojis! I can, bro. Bro, he's lagging user emoji. It's so obvious he's on iPhone. He is a clown. What? You? Who? Who? Cares. Get someone get this monkey out of my face. Bro, he does look like a monkey. Bro, he does look like a monkey. Anyone cool, more insult. What the hell? What does this guy look like? Goofy. Wouldn't be surprised when this man said long before time. I won't be surprised if this guy said long before time. Bro, this should be easy. But I won't be surprised if this guy said long before time. What is this man doing? Oh, stop speaking tag. Well, I forgot that I was playing this game because it was quote unquote scary, but I'm just no one asked. And while it's typing, you're supposed to like spelling everything wrong. That's why it's tagging. I'm just no. Cap. I call Cap right now. Cap. Cap. I'm not lying. Cap. What can't spell Cap? Cap. Cap. Oh, my brother joined. Cap. Oh, my brother joined. Alright. What the hell? But I'm a dog. A dog. Dog. The dog. Boy, has this video became a roast battle? Welcome back to another video. Bro, this kid is 100% a 5-year-old. How he's talking. I didn't know what guys kids I was talking. I'm 6. Don't think I'm 5 years old. I'm both you. Who just said his age? Age. Bro, 6. Now why are you saying I'm 5? So I wasn't talking to you. And how do you know that? Bro, just said his age. Bro, you're 6. You shouldn't be talking. Bro, you're 6. You shouldn't be talking, bro. Bro, did he leave? I'll get some good content out of this guy. He's probably typing up an entire paragraph. Calling right now. I'm in first grade, and you're 1998. Most mob just. That's not a flex. I died. Alright. Bo thinks he's so good at math. 14 times 7. See if you can figure it out. Oh, he's gonna run out of time. He's gonna look up on his phone. Oh, dang it. I thought he was gonna look it up. Bo's about to look it up. Bo's about to look it up. What you doing? Bro, this kid, he went AFK. He's looking it up right now. Bruh. Chunk. Bo. At least I'm smart. Bo. Bo. Bo is in first grade and Bo is in first grade. I think it's way older than them. Acting so cool, bro. Shut up, you're 11. Well, you guys just found out my age. Yay. No, me. You guys just found my age. Yay! But did he leave? No, Nugget left! No, Nugget left! Nugget! Bruh. I got some good content out of him. Alright. So I'm gonna end the video off there. That was kind of funny. That was not meant to happen, but see you guys next time.